Hi, so I am going to show you how to simply make chords major to minor and vice versa. So here it is. I'm going to play a simple chord, C chord. Does it sound happy or sad to you? Sounds pretty happy to me, yeah? So to make it sad, all I have to do is switch the middle note of the chord slightly to the left. In this case, the closest to the left is a black key. So I'm going to do this one. All of a sudden it's sad. Now make the C chord happy again by moving the middle note slightly to the closest right key, which is this. Happy or major, sad or minor. Okay, so let's do another one. How about if I pick this one? It's E chord. That sounds pretty sad to me. So to make it happy, move the middle note slightly, a little bit to the closest right. In this case, it's a black key. Now it's happy. Make it sad. Move the middle note to the left. Make it happy. Okay, let's choose another one. Let's choose this note, A chord. That sounds sad, yeah? Make it happy. Moving the middle note to the closest right key, which is this black key. So now, whoa, sounds really bright. Sad. Okay, let's try the last one. How about let's try the G chord. This is G, yeah? G chord. Sounds pretty happy. Let's make it sad now. So I'm going to move the middle note to the left. Obviously sad. Minor. Major. That's happy. Let's make it minor. Sad. Okay, I hope that helps. Let me know how else or what else you would like to learn, and I will try to make a video out of it. Thank you.